The Audi trouble code P3081 refers to engine temperature too low. This code is triggered when the engine control module, ECM, detects that the engine is not reaching the expected operating temperature within a specified time. This issue is often related to the cooling system. Possible causes. 1. Thermostat stuck open. If the thermostat is stuck open, coolant flows continuously, preventing the engine from reaching its optimal temperature. 2. Faulty coolant temperature sensor, CTS. A malfunctioning sensor may send incorrect temperature readings to the ECM. 3. Low coolant levels. Insufficient coolant in the system can prevent the engine from heating properly. 4. Cooling system leak. Leaks can cause a loss of coolant, leading to improper engine temperature regulation. 5. Radiator fan running constantly. If the fan runs when it shouldn't, it may overcool the engine. 6. Faulty wiring or connectors. Damaged wiring or loose connections in the coolant temperature sensor or thermostat circuit. 7. Faulty ECU or software issue. Less common, but the engine control unit might have a glitch or outdated software. Symptoms. Engine takes longer than usual to warm up. Reduced fuel efficiency. Heater not functioning properly, blowing cool air. Check engine light illuminated. Diagnostic and fix. 1. Check coolant levels. Ensure the coolant is at the proper level and there are no leaks. 2. Inspect the thermostat. Test or replace the thermostat if it's stuck open. 3. Test the coolant temperature sensor, CTS. Replace the sensor if it's faulty. 4. Inspect the radiator fan. Verify the fan operates as expected, not running excessively. 5. Scan for additional codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for related trouble codes. 6. Perform a system pressure test. This will help identify any leaks in the cooling system. If you're unsure about diagnosing or fixing the issue, it's recommended to have a certified Audi technician inspect and resolve the problem.